This is my first time here at Tech Show London, and it's been mind-blowing. It's just been lovely that we're bringing lots of tech people together to share ideas, to exchange of information.
I was on the main stage today talking about Formula One and the use of big data, AI, and it was fantastic to see such a great show filled with so many people and so many exhibitors.
I think it's a great event. I mean, it really does mix people up right from hardware, services, etc.
It attracts so many of the real forward thinkers, the energy you feel, the exposure to all the latest technologies.
Well, the biggest opportunity that everybody's speaking about really is AI.
And I want to really see how that makes its way into society and how it really helps and benefits everyone equally.
They're really thinking about how to apply some of those changes within their own companies around things like recruitment and representation.
This is about society and all of the things that make society thrive. So I really want to encourage people to be here next year.
If you come to events like Tech Show London and open your mind to learning, to speaking to people you wouldn't normally speak to, that's when great new ideas emerge.
Come and be involved, because this is where the industry is at.
The more the merrier, and the more we sort of share ideas and actually experiences as well, I think the better we make the tech world.